Matt Bevin is not in custody tonight after failing to show up for another court hearing. The former Kentucky governor faces an active arrest warrant in the bitter child support case involving his adopted son. Alexis Matthews is live outside the Judicial Center with details. Alexis?
Good evening, Vicki. As you said, Matt Bevin was a no-show again for today's court hearing. But it appears the real reason that the judge is fed up is the former Kentucky governor is not turning over all of his financial information, which is stalling this child support case. Matt Bevin noticeably absent again from Monday's court hearing. It's centered around child support. His adoptive son, Jonah Bevin, alleged he's owed for time spent in a violent Jamaican youth facility. The former Kentucky governor was held in contempt for previously failing to show up in court and was recently issued a bench warrant for not providing required financial documents. That issue took precedence Monday, with Louisville Family Court Judge Angela Johnson expressing frustration.
I am losing patience at this point. You all know full well that tax returns, business interest, how much you have, you know what to turn in.
Judge Johnson denied a motion by Bevin's attorney requesting more time to submit the financial records and clarify what documents are missing. She noted the case has stretched on for more than a year and says instead of compliance, the court gets redacted files, missed deadlines, and 11th hour emergency motions from Bevin's counsel.
This is not about making Matt Bevin go to jail, okay? If he would do what's right, like I require every other person that comes in here, then I will happily rescind that bench warrant.
Bevin's attorney raised concerns about Johnson's handling of the case.
You've taken yourself out of the equation. That's our concern, Your Honor.
I can't litigate this case, sir.
I don't want you to, but what we're asking respectfully is for you to be the one to decide if we produced enough information.
Jesse Mudd also believes Bevin is being treated unfairly compared to the other party in this legal battle.
Ms. Bevin's not having to produce these same documents, and she's in the same shoes as my client, Your Honor.
Though the former governor and now apparent fugitive of justice did not appear in court, he defended himself in more than a dozen emails to the WOKY newsroom on Friday, which his attorney confirms were sent from Bevin's email address. In those emails, Bevin calls Judge Johnson an attention-seeking activist. He refutes the abuse and abandonment claims made by Jonah and accuses his adoptive son of violence. And as part of that arrest warrant, Judge Johnson ordered Bevin to serve 60 days in jail and pay a $500 fine. Now, this case heads back to court at the end of July. Live from the Judicial Center for you tonight, I'm Alexis Matthews, WOKY News.